Hello guys! This is Justin T. Cupa here. I got bad news to tell you. Inbox by Gmail is shutting down on March 31, 2019. The tech giant announced the demise of its productivity-focused mail app via Twitter. Google has said that they want to solely focus on Gmail, which received a full revamp this April. It's important to note that Gmail has adopted many useful features from Inbox's list, such as smart replies and snoozing emails. But not all. One Inbox feature that'll surely be missed, if Google doesn't add it to Gmail, is trip bundles. It automatically groups all of your flight, hotel, event and car reservations into a single bundle, and is one of Inbox's most popular feature. One that is being viewed by users across the world. Twitter has in fact been abuzz with the disappointment of Inbox's shutdown. Inbox, the unsung email service by Google released as an alternative way for Google account holders to access and manage their emails, will be discontinued at the end of March 2019. In a post on the official Google blog, Gmail product manager Matthew Easopp describes Inbox by Gmail's various features that have been implemented since its 2014 launch that differentiated it from Gmail, including snoozing emails, high-priority notifications, smart reply, automated message suggestions, and nudges, second notice emails. Easopp states that since these features have been introduced to Gmail since the redesign went live in April of 2018, Google has decided to take a more focused approach that will help us bring the best email experience to everyone. The post also mentions a guide for Inbox users to help get accommodated to Gmail leading up to Inbox's impending discontinuation. Why would Google do that? Now we can't access Inbox by Gmail ever again. Sniff. Yeah, I know this is sad. The Inbox app, which was launched around 4 years ago, was a sister email service which coexisted with Gmail and served as the experimental platform on which Google tested a host of new email innovations and features such as smart reply, snoozing, nudges, reminders and a lot more. Now, let's review the history of Gmail. On April 1, 2004, Gmail was released with 1 GB of storage space, a significantly higher amount than competitors offered at the time. On January 12, 2005, security experts discovered a critical flaw in the handling of Gmail messages that would allow hackers to easily access private emails from any Gmail user's account. On January 13, 2005, developers at Gmail announced that they had fixed the problem and that the security flaw had been patched. Despite Gmail's status as a beta application, concerns were raised among some users who were using Gmail as their primary mail account. On April 1, 2005, Gmail increased the mailbox size to 2 GB, advertising it as 2 GB plus, and introduced some other new features, including formatted editing, which gave users the option of sending messages on HTML or plain text. On June 7, 2005, the Gmail invitation spooler was deactivated by the site owner, following a direct request from the Gmail product manager to shut it down. The service was featured in Popular Science magazine and had given out over 1.2 million Gmail accounts. On June 22, 2005, Gmail's canonical URI changed from http://gmail.google.com/gmail/ to http://mail.google.com/mail/. Those who typed in the former URI were redirected to the latter. On July 4, 2005, Google announced that Gmail Deutschland would be rebranded as Google Mail. The domain gmail.com became unavailable in Germany due to trademark disputes, in which cases users must use the domain googlemail.com. On October 19, 2005, Google voluntarily converted the United Kingdom version of Gmail to Google Mail because of a dispute with the UK company Independent International Investment Research. On September 2006, Forbes declared Gmail to be the best webmail application for small businesses. On November 2006, Gmail received PC World's 4-star rating. On November 2, 2006, Google began offering a mobile application-based version of Gmail for mobile phones capable of running Java applications. On January 28, 2007, Google Docs and Spreadsheets was integrated with Gmail, providing the capability to open attached Microsoft Word doc files directly from Gmail. On February 2007, Google filed legal action against the owners of Gmail.pl, a poet group known in full as Group Imloaded Artist no illiterate abbreviated Gmail, but the lawsuit was a loss, and the website no longer exists in Poland anymore. On October 24, 2007, Google announced that IMAP was available for all accounts, including Google Apps for your domain. On January 2008, Gmail has updated, changed elements of Gmail's use of JavaScript, and resulted in the failure of a third-party script some users had been using. On June 5, 2008, Google introduced Gmail Labs. On December 8, 2008, Google added a to-do list to Gmail. When the new Tasks feature is enabled, a box shows up on top of the Gmail window. In it, users can add, reorder and delete tasks. It is also possible to assign a due date to each action and even convert emails into tasks. On December 12, 2008, Gmail added support for PDF viewing within a browser. On February 24, 2009, Gmail had suffered a 2.5-hour outage, the first outage in Gmail, affecting 100 million accounts. On July 7, 2009, Gmail officially exited its beta status in a move to attract more business use of the service. On September 1, 2009, Gmail had suffered a second outage for several hours. On May 3, 2010, Google announced that they would start to phase out the googlemail.com domain in the United Kingdom. Existing users will get the option to switch to gmail.com, while new users will be given a gmail.com address by default. This also required Android phone users to perform a factory reset, requiring a backup to prevent data loss, to restore phone functionality. On February 28, 2011, Gmail had suffered a third outage in which a bug caused Gmail accounts to be empty. Google stated in a blog post that email was never lost and restoration was in progress. In November 2011, Google began rolling out a redesign of its interface that simplified the look of Gmail into a more minimalist design to provide a more consistent look throughout its products and services as part of an overall Google design change. Major redesigned elements included a streamlined conversation view, configurable density of information, new higher quality themes, a resizable navigation bar with always visible labels and contacts, and better search. Users were able to preview the new interface design for months prior to the official release, as well as revert to the old interface. On March 2012, Google discontinued the ability to revert and completed the transition to the new design for all users. On April 13, 2012, Google received the right to the Gmail trademark in Germany. On April 17, 2012, Gmail had suffered a fourth outage. On April 24, 2012, Google announced the increase of storage included in Gmail from 7.5 to 10 GB as part of the launch of Google Drive. On May 2012, Gmail improved the search functionality to include autocomplete predictions from the user's emails. On June 2012, Gmail had 425 million active users globally. On May 2013, Google updated the Gmail inbox with tabs which allow the application to categorize the user's emails. The 5 tabs are Primary, Social, Promotions, Updates, and Forums. In addition to customization options, the entire update can be disabled, allowing users to return to the traditional inbox structure. On May 13, 2013, Google announced the overall merge of storage across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Plus Photos, allowing users 15 GB of included storage among the three services. On September 24, 2013, Gmail had suffered a fifth outage. On January 24, 2014, Gmail had suffered a sixth outage. On May 2014, Gmail became the first app on the Google Play Store to hit 1 billion installations on Android devices. On October 2014, Google introduced Inbox by Gmail on an invitation-only basis. Developed by the Gmail team, but serving as a completely different type of inbox. The service is made to help users deal with the challenges of inactive email, citing issues such as distractions, difficulty in finding important information buried in messages, and receiving more emails than ever. Inbox by Gmail has several important differences from Gmail, including bundles that automatically sort emails of the same topic together, highlights that surface key information from messages, and reminders, assists, and snooze, that help the user in handling incoming emails at appropriate times. On November 2014, Google introduced functionality in the Gmail Android app that enabled sending and receiving email from non-Gmail addresses through POP or IMAP. On March 2015, Gmail interface can now support 72 languages. On May 2015, Inbox by Gmail became publicly available, and Gmail had 900 million active users, 75% of whom were using the service on mobile devices. On February 2016, Gmail had 1 billion active users worldwide. On November 2016, Google redesigned the Gmail app for the iOS platform, bringing the first complete visual overhaul in nearly 4 years. The update added much more use of colors, sleeker transitions, and the addition of several highly requested features, including undo send, faster search with instant results and spelling suggestions, and swipe to archive, delete. On March 2017, the limit for sending email is now 25 megabytes instead of 50 megabytes. On May 2017, Google updated Gmail on Android to feature protection from phishing attacks. Media outlets noticed that the new protection was announced amid a widespread phishing attack on a combination of Gmail and Google's Docs document service that occurred on the same day. On June 2017, Google announced the upcoming into the use of contextual Gmail content for advertising purposes, relying instead on data gathered from the use of its other services. On July 2017, Gmail had passed 1,200,000,000 users. On April 2018, Gmail has reached 1,400,000,000 users, and Gmail got a new web UI for Gmail. The new redesign follows Google's Material design, and changes in user interface include the use of Google's Product Sans font. Other updates include a confidential mode, which allows the sender to set an expiration date for a sensitive message or to revoke it entirely, integrated rights management and two-factor authentication, and the spam filtering banners got a redesign, with bigger and bolder lettering. On January 29, 2019, Gmail had suffered a 7th outage. On March 31, 2019, because of many outages, Inbox by Gmail has completely shut it down. Just because Inbox by Gmail shut it down, does not mean that the whole service will shut down completely. It means that the whole service of Gmail will stay. But however, there is a possible chance that Google Hangouts will shut down sometime in 2020, according to a report from 9to5Google. Despite Google's claims otherwise, its messaging setup seems as disjointed and confusing as ever. If Google does end up killing consumer access to Hangouts, you'll probably be offered a chance to export your chat logs for safekeeping. I would say the last words to Inbox by Gmail. Inbox by Gmail, you are a nice feature that Gmail would ever had, but thank you for showing emails to us. It was nice knowing you from October 2014 to March 2019, almost 4.5 years. Goodbye, Inbox by Gmail. May it rest in peace. But don't worry, while we were here, they had found a new way to email with ideas like snooze, nudges, smart reply, and more. That's why they have brought your favorite features to Gmail to help you get more done. All your conversations are already waiting for you. That's it. This is Justin T. Cupa, signing off.